Samsung's Unpacked event brought along plenty of amazing Galaxy Books that include the GalaxyBook 360, GalaxyBook 2 Pro, and GalaxyBook 2 Pro 360. Each of these devices features Samsung's iconic Galaxy performance and has plenty of twists of their own. But what really caught our eyes is the GalaxyBook 2 Pro, which boasts an ultra-thin chassis, powerful specs, and tons of perky features for the business and student segment. However, there is a worthy alternative for this notebook from Dell, the XPS 13 Plus. Currently, it's one of the sleekest looking laptops with advanced performance and bears a close resemblance to the GalaxyBook 2 Pro. In this video, we are going to compare these two laptops head-on to figure out which one has an upper hand over the other. So, without further ado, let's get started. Design-wise, both of these laptops look thin and minimalistic, making them ideal for the student or business class. GalaxyBook 2 Pro boasts a clamshell design and is available in both 13 and 15-inch models. It comes in two color variants, silver and graphite, where both give off a premium vibe. Surprisingly, the 13-inch model weighs only about 1.91 pounds, which almost feels weightless. You also get a fingerprint sensor that offers seamless logon. As the name suggests, the XPS 13 Plus comes in 13-inch size, has a flat appearance to it, and weighs about 2.73 pounds. You get two color variants for this notebook, which are silver and white. The most unique thing about this laptop is its capacitive touch row, which lets you save up a wide selection of commands. So comparably, GalaxyBook 2 Pro is lighter and has multiple models to choose from, but the capacitive touch row is what makes the XPS 13 Plus unique. Taking a look at the ports, you only get two Thunderbolt 4 ports on the XPS 13 Plus, and that sums it up in terms of wired connectivity. GalaxyBook 2 Pro, however, has a wide fleet of ports. It offers an HDMI, one USB-C, one Thunderbolt 4, a USB 3.2, a 3.5mm audio combo jack, and a microSD slot. Clearly, you get more connectivity options on the GalaxyBook 2 Pro. The two Thunderbolt 4 connections on the XPS 13 Plus might be limited, but can also be broadened up with the help of an external USB-C dock. GalaxyBook 2 Pro can get as bright as 400 nits and 500 nits for its HDR contents through its 1920 by 1080p AMOLED display. XPS 13, on the other hand, has plenty of display variations ranging from Full HD to 3.5K OLED panels. The price tag is also likely to escalate depending on your preference. Nonetheless, you can expect up to 500 nits of brightness from the standard Full HD model. With that aside, let's take a look at what these portable machines are packing under the hood. The 13-inch GalaxyBook 2 Pro can be equipped with Intel 12th Gen i5 or i7, up to 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and 1TB of PCIe SSD storage. It's powered by a 63Wh battery, and Samsung ensures up to 21 hours of backup from it. The most striking change is the 1080p webcam with auto-framing feature that will come in handy for video calls and online meetings. Additional perks include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, backlit keyboard, and two 4W AKG speakers. Moving on to the Dell XPS 13 Plus, it shares the same specs as the GalaxyBook 2 Pro, with the only exception being 2TB of storage instead of 1. You also get a quad 8W stereo speaker setup, a 720p HD webcam, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity options. The base GalaxyBook 2 Pro 13-inch retails for about $1,050, while the XPS 13 Plus has an approximate price tag of $1,200. So, which of these notebooks is the best? Truth be told, that is debatable. While you get more or less the same specs on these laptops, they have a certain twist of their own. You get more storage on the XPS 13 Plus, a capacitive touch bar, and a good speaker system, while the GalaxyBook 2 Pro costs less, has a better camera, and weighs less than the XPS 13 Plus. If you often participate in virtual meetings and want to save up some bucks, you can go for the GalaxyBook 2 Pro. Otherwise, XPS 13 Plus will suffice. So, that was all about the GalaxyBook 2 Pro versus Dell XPS 13 Plus debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.